Okay, good morning, all the students. Welcome to the virtual class. Today we have to complete a further lesson. So they don't want a guest in their house, but approximately a traveler is comes into the village and he need a help, a food and a place for rest, just a corner for the rest. So so he went towards Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, and last Rupabai. All are refused to the traveler and said, "We don't have food." A different peoples give a different excuses. But at last, the traveler is saying to the Rupabai, "Ma'am, if your ladder is also empty and I am also hungry, so we can make a stone soup." Then he take out a stone soup from his bag and said, "With the help of this magic stone, we can make a very tasty and delicious soup." I heard this, Rupa by surprise and shock. She said, "Really? We can make a soup with the help of this stone?" Traveler is saying, "Yes, of course. Just I need a big pot with a big pot of water and a spoon." Rupabai agreed. She goes back to her house and she brought a pot of water and a spoon. At that time, the travelers collect wood and make a fire in one corner. Other neighbors also come out from their houses and watch quietly with a very curiously what is actually happened. Then after, traveler put the pot on the fire and take out the stone and drop it in the pot. Rupa Bai, she's standing in one corner. She's observed each and everything. She asked, "A stone soup that makes a soup? I can't believe this." Traveler is pretending to enjoy the aroma. Aroma means what? Aroma means a pleasant smell, a good smell, which is come out from the food, and we are enjoying the lot. That is called the aroma. He's just pretending. He's just act. Why he was act? Because everyone knows the stone is a non-living thing, and with the help of stone we cannot make a soup. So here the traveler is just pretending and he's just act that with the help of the magic stone we can make a soup. At this point, the traveler is saying the taste of the soup will be a more delicious if we drop it two potatoes. If we add two potatoes in it, the taste heavenly with potatoes. but we don't have the potatoes. Rupa is thinking and she said, let me see if I have potato at my home. Then after she bring two potatoes, a peeled potatoes, and she's give to the traveler. Traveler is saying, oh, wonderful that you bring the potatoes. Now, if we add the potatoes on this water, the taste of this soup will more rich and delicious. Then after the traveler is saying, the taste become more terrific and delicious if we add carrots and tomato. If we add carrot and tomatoes, it gives a tempting taste also and the color also. But we wouldn't have that. Rupabai is saying, I really don't have the vegetables. At that time, Sonabai comes out. Sonabai comes out with some tomatoes and she said, I had reserved these tomatoes for tomorrow, but I'm also willing to help you. So I brought this tomato for you. But I thought Hirabai has a plenty of carrots, but I don't think so that she will give you the carrots. So here the Sonabai bring a tomato for the traveler and she's informed that Hirabai have the carrot, but I don't think that she share a carrot with you. At that point, at that point, Hirabai also come out with a few carrots and she said, this carrot are reserving for tomorrow, but never mind. I also want to share this carrot with you because I also want to be taste a magic soup. The traveler the traveler is saying, I'm really speechless because you all are kind and the noble ladies. Now, with the help of your vegetables, the taste of this soup become a more rich, delicious and tasty. But the taste of the soup become more rich and more delicious if we add few beans, onions, and a piece of ginger. So here the traveler is demanding the other vegetables also. He said if we add the beans, onions, and a piece of ginger, the flavor of this soup it become more delicious. But let it be, we don't have this little things. Whatever we have, that is good enough for us, and that is best for us. At that moment, Motiram enter. Motiram enter with the beans, onion, and the ginger, and he said, "I have the vegetables. Please take it and add into the soup. While adding this, if we get the best one, so why we can miss this golden chance? I also want to help you. Please take these vegetables and add into the soup. If everyone wants to help you, so why the Motiram? That means so why I lag behind? Motiram offers the vegetables to the traveler. Now here, now here, each and every villagers look towards the soup and they are surprised, they are shocked, and they are feel so wonderful that today they will taste a magic stone soup. Now the traveler is saying, how can I forget a very how can I forget a very important ingredient? Rupabai say, what is that? That I need a salt. If we put a pinch of salt, the soup taste become more delicious. Rupaba is saying, wait, I will bring the salt and the bowls also for all of us to serve. Traveler is saying, thank you so much. I never ever forgot your generosity. You all peoples are so kind and noble to help me too much. At that time, Rupabai bring salt and the bowl also. Traveler saying thank you so much, so kind and helpful. This is an unforgettable experience here. I spent a good time with you people. Then everyone have a bowl with the soup and they start eat it. When they taste the soup, Rupa, everyone's give their opinion. First, Rupabai is saying, ah, what a wonderful taste, the goodness of fresh vegetables. Then Sonabai is saying, yes, unbelievable. No one can think that this soup was made with a stone. Motiram is saying, you have said it right. It's very delicious, a vegetable soup, and no one can imagine that soup is made with a stone. Then after Hirabai saying, I wonder what happened to the stone? Where is the stone? Does the stone is melt away? Hirabai is asked a question to the traveler. Where is the stone? Traveler is saying, no, stone is remain in the pot. You can see there. Then after the traveler take out the stone from the pot and show towards the villagers. This was the stone that made the soup. Here the traveler, he's just pretending, he just act that he make the soup with the help of the magic stone. But this is not the truth. This is not the truth. Have you ever heard students that we can make a soup with the help of the stone? This is the real fact? Absolutely no. This is a not a real fact. With the help of stone, you cannot make a soup. So how the traveler make a soup? The travelers make a soup what the villagers give to him. Some villagers give them carrot, tomato, potatoes, onion, ginger, salt. With the help of these ingredients, the traveler make a soup. But he said, with the help of the magic stone, I can make a soup. For why he said this? What is the purpose behind that? Because before the villagers don't want to help him. So he's saying line. He used a new trick. He used a trick and he's say a false thing. With the help of this trick, with the help of these false things, the villagers believed to the traveler, and then after they all started helping to the traveler. How's they help to bring the vegetables? And when the traveler added all the vegetables on the water, then only he make a soup. So So, in really, the traveler make a vegetable soup, not a stone soup. It is exactly a vegetable soup. It is not a stone soup. But he manipulated to the villagers and he said that this is a stone soup. At last, the traveler is asking to us, have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Exactly. What's the secret of the stone soup? That this is not a stone soup. This is just a simple a vegetable soup. That you can make it even without the stone also. We also can make with even without a stone, because there is a no need of the stone. It's just a vegetable stone. So here, student, traveler, what he did, he tit for tat. Here he used a tit for tat because before the villagers uses the tricks to avoid the traveler. I don't want to help them. So here the traveler also used their tricks, and he used very smartly that tricks. The villagers start helping one by one to the travelers. And at last traveler ate the food also, and he get the place for the rest. So this is the story about a stone soup. I hope you understand the story. This is very nice and fun way story. Thank you everyone.